Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can fix the audio or sound not playing problem in the Brave browser. So let us get started and guide you through this solution. So open up the Brave browser and let's assume you're visiting, I don't know, a website with videos and you don't hear anything. Although the given video is not muted, but you can't hear anything only here on the Brave browser. This is how you can fix this, guys. There's a simple fix to this. All you will need to do is check if Brave browser as a browser itself hasn't been muted accidentally. To do that, click into these three lines in the top right corner and access your browser settings here at the bottom. And inside your browser settings, click into privacy and security here on the left panel. After that, head over to site and shield settings there. Scroll all the way down till you get to additional content settings here. And below you will see the sound settings. Click into them. And as you can see, currently sites can play sound is the current or default setup for me. But if you accidentally, guys, muted your web browser by clicking on don't allow sites to play sound, you may simply switch back to sites can play sound. And that's basically it. Additionally, guys, you may also check if specific and selected tabs haven't been muted. To do that, click on the given tab you're accessing the given website from. Right click onto it and select mute site or tab, or unmute site or unmute tab if you have already muted it. So unmute them by selecting one of these options. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.